Jai Hind everyone. The topic of my lecturette today is the Indo-US relation. The India-US relations has strengthened by a massive factor as compared to the previous decades. We have covered the Cold War between the two countries and also the ever-increasing trade in the 21st century. I would first like to throw some light on the historical background of the relations between both the countries. First, the Cold War era. There was a lot of mistrust between both the countries during the Cold War, as the US supported Pakistan and the India strengthening its ties with the Soviet Union. It was a chaos back then. But in the post-Cold War era, the economic liberalization of India proved to be a breakthrough of relation in between the India and the United States. Now I would like to talk about the strategic milestone in the relation between both the countries. According to the 2005 Civil Nuclear Agreement, India was proved to be a nuclear power. Hence, all the nations in the world, including US, thought and saw this as an opportunity to foster better relations with India, so as with their benefit also. And that was the turning point between the relationship of India and the United States. We can also not forget the fact that USA or the United States is the largest defense supplier of India. Exercises like Malabar has also created trust and cooperation between both the countries. Talking about the economic aspect, we can see that the trade between both the countries has risen to a whopping $190 billion to the year 2023. Also, the coming of multinational companies to India and also the Indian companies going to the US has crashed all the cultural barriers between both the countries. It has brought innovation and cutting-edge technology to both the countries, hence bringing better working conditions for the workers of both the countries, hence increasing their economy as well. Now I would like to talk about the shared interest of both the countries. Both India and the United States aim to decrease the China's assertiveness in the Indo-Pacific region. They aim to foster free and fair trade in the Indo-Pacific region, of course, Quad being the central workforce. The India and US relation till now seems very simple and straightforward, right? But there are a lot of challenges into this relationship as well. With the tariffs and the intellectual property rights, it has proven to be a drawback in the relation. Also, with India's increase in trade with the Soviet Union, we see that it has created friction between the relationship of both the countries. I would now like to end my lecturette by throwing some light on the future outlook. We see that India and USA are the largest democracies in the world. Hence, fostering better relationship will shape the world order and will bring ever-wanting peace in the world. Thank you.